How to turn off notification when someone mentions me on TikTok. How to turn off this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First, you will just open TikTok. Then when your TikTok is opening, guys, you will just go to profile. Then on profile, you will just go here on this three line. Then click on settings and privacy. After this, go to privacy and then go to mention and tags and turn off this like this, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.